paint his eyes black around him.
Scratches.
Oh, I should get some fake poo. That would be awesome.
What are you gonna put it in a bag?
Your suit has nipples.
Yeah, it's got nipples. Oh, barely.
What's wrong with him? He's not at the bottom. He's not at the bottom.
Where the hell are they? Are they right there?
Come here. Do you know where nipples are?
Well,
Right there.
oh, they're like below mine.
Oh my god, he's like Marquise.
What?
This little gay dude from Covington. He does the exact thing.
Do your monkey jump.
You really need to paint his eyes black.
I'm not painting them black tonight.